Welcome along to your latest update for Scotland from the Met Office. Something of an east-west split with the weather through the rest of today and indeed for much of the weekend. Sunny spells for much of the east coast. For the west, well, yes, some sunshine, but plenty of showers blown along by a pretty chilly and stiff wind, making it feel certainly colder than yesterday. Cold enough for a bit of snow over the hills and mountains across northern parts of the mainland, and down to low levels, sleet, hail in the showers across Shetland, where there is a strong wind blowing. And that wind is making it feel chilly. This is what it feels like when you add the strength of the wind on. Feeling sub-zero across the far north, and feeling pretty cold in the east despite some sunshine here. Now, through this evening and overnight, we'll see the showers kind of merging together to turn into quite a wet night over the Highlands, the Western Isles. The rain may be easing a touch across Shetlands, but outbreaks of rain across Orkney certainly. Some showers across the south and the west, but generally east and southeastern and parts of Scotland will stay dry. And with a lot of cloud around, outbreaks of rain. Even though the winds are easing off, it will be perhaps a touch milder than last night, 4 or 5 degrees in towns and cities, but close to freezing for a time in Shetland. Still a bit of winteriness in the wet weather, still some snow on the tops of the hills across the far north for a time on Saturday morning perhaps, but generally it'll be outbreaks of rain across Caithness, Sutherland, northern portions of Aberdeenshire, perhaps easing across the Western Isles, and overall a brighter, drier day across Shetland. Still maybe 1 or 2 showers, but crucially the winds will be light. In fact, the winds will be lighter everywhere. Some showers maybe across the southwest, but generally through the central belt across southern Scotland it'll be dry. It will be predominantly cloudy. We could see some breaks in the cloud across the borders and maybe a hint of sunshine coming through. And even where it's cloudy, it will be relatively mild, 8-9 degrees on the west coast, taking a little bit longer to warm up across Aberdeenshire, where there'll be outbreaks of rain through the morning, and dull and damp in Orkney through the afternoon. Only 2 or 3 degrees in Shetland, but again, feeling warmer because the winds will be that much lighter. That rain will push northwards towards Shetland on Saturday evening. At the same time, rain will move back towards the Western Isles and eventually across the Highlands as we go through Saturday night and into Sunday. And the western side of the country looks pretty soggy on Sunday. That rain will be heavy over the Highlands along the west coast and through the Western Isles. Some rain over the Northern Isles, but for the bulk of central and eastern Scotland, Sunday will again be dry, cloudy. And look at the temperatures, double digits, so it is slowly turning milder, but it's also turning windier. And it could get very windy indeed through the early part of next week. That's something we'll be keeping a very close eye on. Make sure you stay up to date with the latest from the Met Office by following us on social media.